Welcome to Shubhraja Academy. Today we are going to see how to write a formal letter. Let's see the format. First you have to write sender's address, then date, then recipient's designation and address, then subject. It should be very short. Then salutation, maybe dear sir, respected sir or madam, or simply you can write sir. Then introduction, body paragraph and conclusion. These three things should be there in your letter. Thanking you, then complimentary ending. You can end with yours sincerely or faithfully. Here you should not use apostrophe in yours. Then finally you have to write sender's signature and sender's name. Let's see one example letter. I have written a letter to the editor. Here is a question. Your locality has witnessed a number of cases of theft in recent weeks. The local law and order authorities were approached, but you find no change in the situation. Write a letter in 100 to 120 words to the editor of a local newspaper, drawing the attention of the problem. You are Ram or Rama, 4 Gobind Road, Meerut. So they have given your name and your address, and this is a letter to the editor. So let's see how you can write the letter. First you have to write the address. Don't include your name here, just write the address. 4 Gobind Road, Meerut. Then date May 30, 2020. Then I have written the designation of the recipient and the address. The editor, Times of India, Meerut. Then subject, I told you it should be very small. So I have written only increasing cases of theft. Next, salutation, I have written only dear sir. Next, I am going to start my letter. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the alarming situation in our area. So these two lines you can include in all of your editor's letter. Then I'm going to the question. So number of thefts and burglaries are increasing in the locality. Because of the absence, law and order has become an added advantage to the unsocial elements. It has become very difficult to go out even after locking the house. Thieves sense it immediately, and a little absence costs a lot to the owner. And the most dangerous situation is that they make damage not only to the property but also to life. Old people are the soft target for the burglaries. So here it is the body of the letter. Then I'm going to end the letter. Repetitive complaints have been lodged to the local law and order authorities, but there is no positive change in the situation. Rather, the indifferent attitude of the police has encouraged the anti-social elements. Through the letter of mine, I, on the behalf of the residents of our locality, request the higher authorities to take necessary action at the earliest so that we can lead a safe life. So these two lines you can use for all editors to conclude your letter. Then thanking you, yours sincerely, you sign you have to sign here and then write your name. That's all. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.